Good morning everyone. My name is Lalu Arya Gumesta. I'm from 3D class. So now I will present about discourse analysis, and I will start from the definition. The definition of discourse analysis is a method of to analyzing structure or utterance longer than one sentence. We will to continue to explain of theories and basic concept of discourse analysis. Basic of discourse analysis divided into three. First is speaker. Speaker is refers to usually used in at least two different senses. Speaker meaning is talk of what the speaker intentionally communicates. Second one is text. Text is a cultural product under examination, whether that be a book, film, radio, broadcast, or some other form of communication. The third one is hearers. Hearer is refers to someone or group who receive the information or receive the text. And start to material number 3 is the function of language. Language is a structured system of communication and aims to communications. It's just of communications. But if we say further at the theory of expert, we find two. We find two theory of expert. First is Jacobson theory, and then the Michael Halliday's theory. First is Jacobson theory. Jacobson theory, there are five functions of language. First is referential function. Number 2 is emotive functions. Number 3 is conative function. Number 4 is pathic function. And then number 5 or the last is metalingual function. And the second expert is a Halliday theory. They divide it into 5. First is regulatory function. The number 2 is interactional function. Number 3 is personal function. Number 4 is imaginative function, and number 5 is heuristic function. So this is the function of language. As a general, language aims to communication, but there are 5 theory from expert. First is Jacobson, and the 5 one is the Halliday's theory. So the next material is language form. We divided language form into two. First is spoken, and the second one is written. So spoken language is the language we speak. Spoken language is used for interaction between two speakers or the listeners, and the speakers are often in the same place with the listeners. The second one is written form. Written form is a language we use to write. We used to write Now I will explain the three types of speech X. As we know, speech X have three types. First is locutionary X, number two is illocutionary X, and the third one is perlocutionary X. So I will explain one by one. First is locutionary X. The locutionary X is the act of language using referent, expressionary, and predicting the expression to express a proposition. For example, a warning. I warn you to stop smoking. It constitutes and express locutionary because its propositional context predict a feature and predict the feature X to stop smoking of the hearer. The hearer is which mean is you. The The second example is it's the break job situation that force Filipinos to find job overseas is persuading. It's perlocutionary perlocutionary act to aim persuading people. So the last example is texting will while driving will kills you, your loved ones and other people. This is deterring. Maybe this is all of my explanation about discourse analysis. Thank you.